You know, every Sunday when we give our children's blessing, that's when I nearly lose it. I don't know if you guys watch me, it's like, oh my gosh. It's so tender because if I'm going to cry, that's when it's going to happen. It's beautiful for our children to hear those words. And it's beautiful for us to say them and receive them. That's that great big love loop that I've talked about so many times. That's just a constant loop of love. Because here's the truth. The children of this church are our children. Each of them belong to each of us. They're our kids. When we love those children, we're loving ourselves because we are all children of the universe, or source, as Mark likes to say, or divine mind, or spirit, or however you envision creator, that creative spirit. We are the children. Okay, so I want you to think about this phrase. You've heard this before. The acorn doesn't fall far from the tree, right? You've heard that. Most of the time it's used to say, that rotten kid is acting just like his rotten dad. Notice I said dad. Yeah, that rotten kid is just like his rotten dad. You know, it says that the aspects that we see in our children, you know, are handed down, those characteristics. So, yeah, here's the thing. You are a child of the universe, okay, right? You can claim and exhibit the traits of God because you are. You can think love, you can seek only love, you can speak only love, because the acorn doesn't fall far from the tree, right? We're all those little acorns.